Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Today we will take a new unit in Mathematic book. We will take unit 12, part 1, which is the flying house. Let's start with our new words as usual. I'm on page 28. Word number 1. Violent. Violent is an adjective, means very strong. Repeat after me. Violent. Violent. Very strong. Violent means very strong. Violent means very strong. Number 2, storm. S-T-O-R-M. Storm means strong wind. Again, storm means strong wind. Like this picture, this is a storm. Storm means strong wind. Violent means very strong. So I can say violent storm, very strong wind. 3. Hurricane. Hurricane. 4. Cyclone or cyclone. Cyclone or cyclone. These two words means violent storm. Hurricane, hurricane, cyclone, violent storm. This is the hurricane and this is the cyclone. The difference between hurricane and cyclone, that the cyclone spins around itself. Let's see the pictures again. This is hurricane and this is cyclone. So the hurricane is cyclone, but the cyclone spins around itself. And again, the definition of them, hurricane and cyclone means violent storm. Number 5, destruction. Destruction means damage. When I say the hurricane makes destruction, so destruction here means damage. Again, destruction, damage. Destruction, damage. Number 6 is smash. Smash is the verb, means break into small pieces. So when I say the hurricane smashes the building, it means that the hurricane breaks the buildings into small pieces. Number 7, path. Path is a noun which means way, like this. This is a path. Path means way. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, wail. 9, yell. 10, shriek. 11, scream. All of them means to make a loud voice, cry loudly. Let's see number 8, wail. Wail is a verb, it means to cry loudly. Yell, make a loud sound, shout loudly. Shriek, shout or scream. Scream means shout. So all of them means shout and cry loudly. All of them are verbs, don't forget. Number 12, plow. Plow means move something by air. Like this picture. Or I will plow this paper. So plow means move something by air. Let's see our new language. But before our new language, let's make a quick revision for our new words. Number 1, violent. Violent means very strong. Number 2, storm. Storm means strong wind. Number 3, hurricane. Number 4, cyclone. All of them means violent storm. 5, destruction. Destruction means damage. 6 is smash. Smash means break into small pieces. 7, path. Path means way. 8, wail. Wail means cry loudly. Yell, verb means make a loud sound, shout loudly. Shriek means shout or scream. 11 means scream, shout. Plow, move something by air. Let's see our new language, please. Here, we will talking about speech marks. Let's see in number 1, listen, Dorothy, said Uncle Henry. There is a cyclone coming. Here, I have 2 quotation marks. Number 1, for listen, Dorothy. Number 2, there is a cyclone coming. And between them, said. If I have 2 speech marks and only 1 verb, I cannot change it to be 1 speech mark and only said, 1 said, like this. Open the speech marks, put the first sentence, listen, Dorothy. After it, put comma. So, number 1, open the speech marks, put the first sentence, put comma, then put the second same sentence, which is there is a cyclone. There is a cyclone coming. After it, put comma. Then close the speech marks. Then said. Then full stop. So I have 8 steps here. Number 1, open the speech marks. Put the first sentence. Put comma. The second sentence. Put comma. Close the speech marks. Said. And after it, full stop. This is our easy new language. Now open your book on Unit 12, please. Write the short 8, which is the flying house. Let's read this yellow books. Hurricanes are violent storms with very strong wind. Sometimes hurricanes are called cyclones. Hurricane can cause enormous destruction. If buildings are not strong enough, a hurricane will smash them to pieces. Hurricanes are usually too powerful for everything in their path. In the Wizard of Oz, Dorothy's house was picked up by a cyclone. The cyclone carried the house along 4 miles. Read the story. They heard the wind wailing. It was coming from the north. Uncle Henry and Dorothy looked up and saw the wind coming. The strong wind was blowing the long corn in the fields. The corn looked like waves at sea. Then they heard the wind whistling from the south. They looked that way and saw the strong wind blowing the long corn from the south too. This is the first part of our book or our text, and in the second part we will take the next, inshallah, next page. Now, open your booklet again to see this exercise. Number 1, underline the correct answer. 1. Hurricane destruction waves or is violent storm. Violent storm, of course, it's what? Hurricane. Excellent. Number 2. The fan spins or picks or whistle round around. Round around, verb spin. So the fan spins around. Number 3. Calm, violent, lazy winds are called hurricanes. Hurricanes, violent storms or violent winds. 4. Waves, damage, storm is a strong wind. Strong wind is storm. The cyclone is a destruction, cry, hurricane. Of course, it's a hurricane. Supply the missing letters. Number 1, shriek, R, scream, C, yell, L, and well means cry, W. Number 2, comfortable. O and P means A, make, E, you relax, all. 3. Supply the missing parts in the following dialogue. Number 1, I'm helping mom. What are you doing? What's she doing? She's cooking fish. Now, we have finished our lesson today. We will meet in the next part, inshallah. Bye.